Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Gretchen from Gretchen's Vegan Bakery, and it is that time of year for Irish soda bread. St. Patrick's Day is just days away, and you are definitely going to want to be making this. It is a crazy simple recipe that you're just going to fall in love with. It is so easy to make, no mixer required, and so delicious for such a simple recipe. Basically, just throw all the ingredients into a bowl and mix it by hand. It is flour, baking soda, and baking powder, salt. Caraway seeds are optional, but I love this bread with them. It really adds a slight licorice taste to this sweet biscuit-style bread. I use a combination of dark and light raisins, and then a touch of coconut oil, or any vegetable oil will do. And then soy milk that has been soured with apple cider vinegar. You're just going to mix it to a soft, sticky dough by hand, and then turn it out onto a floured surface. Knead it about 20 times until it all comes together, and this makes quite a large loaf, so you can divide this dough into two for two smaller loaves, just in case you want to give one away, but I doubt you will. Once you get it kneaded, you will start to form the loaf. Now, this is a free-form bread, meaning that we are not baking it in a pan. So as you can see here, I'm forming the round while I'm tucking my fingers under the bread. Now, this is going to force it into a tight ball of dough that keeps a perfect round shape in the oven, while helping to give it a nice rise as well. Freeform loaves have a tendency to spread on the pan, so this is a professional bakery technique of forming the bread, and it's really going to help. So mark it with an X and then sprinkle the top with just a little bit more flour. Get it to a parchment-lined sheet pan and then bake it in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 15 minutes. Then, because it does take about an hour to bake, I'll turn the oven down to 325 for the remaining 45 or 50 minutes. This prevents over-browning on the outsides and also prevents those raisins from getting like super dried out and kind of gross. Be sure to cool it before cutting, but once you do, you are going to fall in love. This bread is just perfect, moist, lightly sweet from the raisins, and great with a cup of tea or just as a fast breakfast slice. I hope you will try the recipe, so just head over to gretchensveganbakery.com to grab it. And while you are there, check out my latest video for grasshopper cheesecake if you're looking for an easy dessert that's perfect for St. Patrick's Day. I do want to take a quick minute to thank all my patrons on Patreon and my pals in PayPal for the continued support. The cost to make these videos and host my blog on the internet with all my free recipes is not cheap. So you guys are honestly the ones who are keeping this thing going. If you think you can help for as little as $1 a month, click the links below to find out how. Alright everyone, thanks for watching my video, and I will see you again soon with more great vegan recipes. Until then, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.